First, we'll take a look at setting up your profiles. When you create your RYPT account, you'll create your own trainer profile and a gym profile for your organization or business. It's important to set up your profiles because everything you send to your clients and athletes via the RYPT app will come with your own trainer profile and your gym's branding on it. You can edit your trainer profile by clicking on the trainer profile in the menu and clicking on Edit Profile Details. Here you can add your contact details, social media links, and a bio about yourself. And you can add your profile photo by clicking on the profile image to upload a photo. You can be a member of multiple gyms if you're working with different teams or businesses. If so, you can change context by using the gym selector in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Next, we'll take a look at the gym profile by clicking on Gym on the menu. Here you can again add your contact details, social media and website links, and a bio for the gym by clicking on Edit Gym Details. You can also set up custom branding for the gym, including a logo and a cover photo, by clicking on the images and uploading your photos. All RYPT plans come with unlimited coaches, so you can also add other trainers, physios, nutritionists, or team managers that you're collaborating with. Click on Add Trainer to invite them via email, and once they accept, they'll have access to everything within the gym. Next, we'll take a look at the Users section, where you manage your clients and athletes. When you sign up to a RYPT subscription, you select the number of users you need. You manage the users linked to your account at all times by adding and removing them from the gym, and you can upgrade or downgrade your plan depending on what your needs are. To invite your clients and athletes, click on Invite New Users. Then enter your clients and athletes' email addresses to send them an email invite. Once they sign up via the invite link, they'll be linked to your gym and you'll be able to send them training plans and monitor their performance. When you're inviting them, you can also add them to a training group. Training groups are custom groups that you create to manage your clients and athletes. They're useful for sending out your programs so that you can select a group and be sure you've sent it to all the right people. And also when you're analyzing your data, as you can look at group aggregates and averages for all of the metrics that you're tracking. You can create a training group from the invite modal or from the users list by clicking Create Training Group. Once it's created, you can filter your clients and athletes by group. The groups can be renamed or deleted by clicking on the settings icon. And you can add or remove users to the group via the user menu or by using the multi-select option. On the users list, you'll also see another tab for your pending invites, which lists the users that you've invited that haven't signed up yet. It'll highlight any errors that caused emails to bounce and allow you to resend or cancel invites via the menu. You'll also see your online program clients tab. You can also sell programs through RYPT using the RYPT products feature. RYPT products can be used without a subscription and you only pay a fee when you make a sale. Clients that you sell programs to don't count towards your subscription and appear in your online program clients list. Please watch the dedicated RYPT products demo for more information on this feature. Next, we'll take a look at the user profile. The user profile gives you a snapshot of this individual client. It displays their general information and their injury status. The body composition dashboard displays their current data and allows you to add new body composition data by clicking on the Add Test Data button. The nutrition dashboard is coming soon to the user profile, but all of this data can also be viewed in the analysis section, which we'll take a look at later. In the exercises section, you can select any exercise the client has recorded data for and view their records for that exercise, toggling between the last 8 weeks and their personal best, while also viewing their training history for that exercise so that you can see their recorded data for each set and see their progress over time. The lifestyle section displays your clients' responses to their well-being questionnaire, a daily questionnaire covering sleep, sleep duration, mood, energy levels, stress, and muscle soreness. This can help you identify other stressors affecting your clients' and athletes' performance. On the left-hand side, you'll see their readiness score calculated from their responses, and also any red zones, which are questions they've answered a 2 or below. On the right, you'll see a traffic light view of their responses to each question, along with their 7-day and 28-day averages to help you identify trends. In the workout section, you can query any time period to display the workouts scheduled in that period and the client's compliance rate. You can also access all the workout functionality here, like updating a workout if you need to make changes for a specific client, viewing detailed workout data if the workout has been completed, cancelling the workout, or opening it in gym mode for in-person sessions with your clients. There's another detailed video on this feature available in the RYPT Trainer Academy. Finally, we have the injury dashboard where any injuries are displayed along with days lost. Injuries can be recorded as part of our Performance Pro subscription plan. Please see the dedicated Performance Pro demo in the RYPT Trainer Academy for more information on this. From the user list, you can also access the Add Test Data dashboard. This dashboard allows you to add test data for your clients and athletes when you're carrying out an assessment either at the beginning or the end of a training block. Here you can add in the test date, the clients and athletes that you're testing, and the test that you're carrying out, and then enter the data as you test. For a more detailed video of this feature, please see the RYPT Trainer Academy. Now we'll take a look at how you create and share resources and training programs with your clients and athletes. First, we'll take a look at the resources feature. Here you can upload different types of content, including PDF, video, and image files, and share them with your clients and athletes, either by adding them to workouts or programs, or by creating public folders so that your clients and athletes can access the resources on demand whenever they need them. Depending on your context, you can use this to share whatever you need to, but some common uses are for nutrition, recipes, recovery tips, video analysis, or even video workouts. Uploading content is very simple. Just click the Upload Content button, then type a name for your content, and select the file from your computer, or add a YouTube or Vimeo link if it's a video. Once it's uploaded, it will appear in your library and you'll be able to share it. To give your clients on-demand access to certain resources, you can create folders and make them public so they'll appear in the RYPT app for any of your linked users. Here you'll see some examples of folders. The shared icon indicates which folders are public. You can create folders by clicking Create Folder, and you can move content between your folders by clicking on the menu and clicking Move. You can also control access to each folder by clicking on the menu and turning on or off public access. In the app, any folders you've set to public will appear in the Resources section, and your clients and athletes can access them whenever they need them. Or if you schedule them on the calendar, they'll appear on that date in their calendar. Next, we'll take a look at the programming features. First, the exercise database. Here you'll find a database of exercises that you can add to sessions to prescribe for your clients and athletes and monitor. This database is unique to your gym and is fully customizable, so you can prescribe and monitor anything that you need to. You can create new exercises from scratch or edit any of the existing exercises to change the name, add your own branded exercise technique videos and step-by-step descriptions, as well as defining progressions, regressions, and alternates to give your clients and athletes the autonomy to self-regulate when they're completing the session. Next, we'll take a look at the workouts feature and we'll create a simple workout. When you click on workouts, you'll be taken to a list of your templates. This will be empty initially, but you'll quickly build up a library of templates that can be reused or copied and individualized for different clients and athletes as necessary. Click on Create Workout to create a new workout. Give your workout a name and then click Create Workout to create the template. This moves you to the workout builder. In the builder, you can set the activity type, as RYPT can be used to schedule all types of sessions, from gym work to speed, conditioning, on-pitch or court training, as well as matches and competitions. Scheduling all of your clients and athletes' sessions provides them with a clear schedule in the RYPT app and also prompts them to record their RPE for each session, so you get the full picture of their training loads. Setting the activity type allows you to filter your RPE data in the training load dashboard to look at specific types of activities. You can also set a target duration and RPE for the session, to plan loads, and to let your clients and athletes know what to expect from the session. You can add a description or instructions and add a PDF or video to introduce the session or provide an overview of the session. To add exercises to your session, click the Add Exercises button. This opens a pop-up where you'll create the structure of your session and add all of the exercises and resources you need to. Sessions are structured in blocks. Click Add Block to add blocks to your session, and you'll see that they're added A, B, C, and so on by default, but you can simply type in a custom name if you like. To each block, you can add a PDF or video resource, like a dynamic warm-up video, for example. And you can also add exercises if there's something specific that you want to prescribe and monitor. When you've added everything, click Add to Workout, and you'll see that the blocks have been added as new tabs to the workout builder. In the warm-up block, you'll see the dynamic warm-up video that we added. You can also add notes to give some more instructions if you like. Then in the other blocks, you'll see the exercises that we added. And we can now go in and add the detail that we want to prescribe for each exercise. First, you select the number of sets, and then you select the metrics that you want to add. The default metrics from the exercise database are added automatically, but these can be changed by clicking on the metric name, and any combination of up to 3 metrics can be added, as well as tempo, rest, and an exercise tip if you want to add a coaching cue or anything else for your clients and athletes. So you have the flexibility to create all different types of sessions, including gym, conditioning, speed, team training sessions, and matches. Once your metrics are added, it's time to add the values that you want to prescribe. The table works just like an Excel table. You click on the cell and type in the value. Set 1 will be copied automatically to save you time, but these values can be changed if necessary. If you don't want to prescribe a specific value, you also have the option to prescribe min, max, and self-selected, depending on the metric you've chosen. The important thing is that you add a value for each metric that you've added to the exercise. RYPT also has some advanced metrics like percentage 1 rep max and percentage 1 rep max range, which allow you to prescribe in percentages. The app will then take the athlete's 1 rep max for the exercise and calculate the load they should lift for them to remove any guesswork. For each block, you can also decide whether you want to record data for those exercises so that you can make life easier for your clients and athletes and only record the key information, and also in what order they should be completed, in straight sets or as a superset. Click the superset option to convert a block into a superset. On the right hand side, you'll see a summary of the session so you can quickly confirm everything is correct before scheduling it for your clients and athletes. Once you're happy, you can schedule the individual session, or you can create a multi-week progression from it. This allows you to quickly plan and schedule multiple weeks of training with a single template. Click Add Progression to get started. First, you'll be asked to select the number of weeks that you want the progressions to run for. This will create multiple weeks of your base workout, which can be edited individually from this view. You can make small changes to an exercise to tweak the volume or intensity by clicking on the exercise name. You can then quickly navigate through the weeks to build your progression. If you want to build in an exercise progression, you can do that by clicking the replace icon and replacing the exercise. Or if you need to make bigger changes to one of the weeks, you can click on the edit button to open it in the builder and make any changes that you need to. For more on the progressions feature, check out the video at the link below. Like a workout, a progression can also be scheduled on its own, or it can be added to a program. A program is a multi-week schedule of different sessions and resources. Similar to workouts, you have a list of program templates, which will be empty at first, but then you'll build up a library of templates. Click Create Program to create a new program and give it a name. Then in the builder, you'll select the number of weeks that you want the program to run for, and you can add the sessions and resources to the days in the program. This is done by clicking the plus on the day and adding the sessions and resources you want to from your library. When you're ready, you can then schedule the program for your clients and athletes. This can be done by clicking on the Schedule button in the builder or adding it directly to the calendar. To do that, go to the calendar and select the training group or individual that you want to schedule it for. Then click the plus on the date you'd like the program to start on. Here you can decide to add an individual session or progression, a resource, or select a program. You can type to search for the program in your library of templates. You can change the start date if you need to, or you can add more users or training groups to the program. When you're ready, click Schedule, and all of those sessions and resources are added to that user's calendar. Next, we'll take a look at what that looks like for your clients and athletes in the RYPT app. When they open the app, they'll see their weekly schedule on the calendar with any sessions or resources that you scheduled for them. They can click on the dates on the calendar to scroll to that date and change weeks by using the arrows. They can also view a monthly schedule by clicking on the menu icon beside the month. When they click on a session to open it, they'll see exactly what you prescribed for them in the builder. At the top, they'll see the coach that scheduled the session, as well as the description and any resources that you added to the session. They can also change the target date if they can't do the session on the date you set for some reason. Then below, they'll see the blocks and the exercises that you added to their session. In this case, in the warm-up block, the notes and the dynamic warm-up video. Then in the following blocks, the exercises that were prescribed. When they click on an exercise to expand it, they'll see all the detail that you prescribed. Here there are two tabs, Summary and Save Data. In the Summary tab, they'll see the detailed information of each set and any tips that have been added. They're also able to access the exercise technique video, the exercise history to see what they lifted in previous sessions, and their records for that exercise. They have the option to replace an exercise if necessary. When they click Replace Exercise, they'll see the options that you suggested for progressions, regressions, and alternates, if you set them in the database. To enter their data for that exercise, they click on the Save Data tab. This tab is pre-populated with what you prescribed, but they can put in their own list by clicking in the cell and entering the data. They can also add additional sets if necessary, and they can add a note to give you feedback about the exercise. Then just click Save to save the data. Once they've entered the data for all of their exercises, they click Complete to complete the session. Here they'll be asked to enter their RPE and duration for the session, and they can also add additional information like wearable links and notes if they want to give you any feedback about the session. Then they click Complete to complete the session. This marks the session as complete and allows you to see all of their data in your own dashboard. It also provides them with some stats about their workout, like their total volume and any records they set during the session. For a more detailed look at the RYPT app and the other monitoring features, check out the RYPT App Academy at the link below. Another way to record your clients' and athletes' workout data is using Gym Mode. Gym Mode is designed for your in-person sessions so that your clients and athletes don't need their phone in the gym. Instead, using Gym Mode, you can open their individualized workout by clicking on their workouts on the calendar and clicking Gym Mode. Here you'll see their workout summary on the left-hand side. You can click on any block to navigate through the workout and then record their data for each exercise as they complete it. You'll also see their training diary for each exercise on the right-hand side if you need to suggest weights to them, and you'll be able to record their RPE at the end of the session. When we open the calendar, we can now see all of the client's completed data, from their workouts, activities, lifestyle, nutrition, and steps. You'll also see flags on the completed events if there's something that you might need to look more closely at, like a high workout intensity, notes, or red zones in their well-being questionnaire. The calendar gives you quick access to all of this data by clicking on the event to open it in the sidebar, so that you can keep track of exactly how your clients and athletes are performing day by day. If you need to make any changes to their programs or schedule, that can also easily be handled by clicking on an incomplete workout and clicking Update, allowing you to update anything about the workout in real time. If you need to carry out deeper analysis or generate reports, you can do this in the analysis section. The analysis section is made up of multiple dashboards for each of the different types of data that you're collecting on your clients and athletes, including lifestyle for their well-being data, training load for their RPE data, nutrition, records for their exercise records, training volume, workout compliance, and as part of the Performance Pro subscription plan, there are also dashboards for GPS data, injury risk, and injuries. For more information on these dashboards, please watch the dedicated Performance Pro demo in the RYPT Trainer Academy. Each dashboard works in the same way. We'll take a look at the records dashboard as an example. The dashboard displays the data in a table and also visualizes it on graphs. You can query the time period you want to analyze using the date selector, and then you can select a group if you want to view group aggregates or averages on the graphs, or you can select an individual if you want to view just an individual's data on the graphs. In some cases, like in the records dashboard, you can also select multiple individuals to compare them on the same graph. You can also create branded PDF reports for your clients or other coaches or management that you're working with. Just select the data you'd like to export on the dashboard, and then click the PDF icon at the top of the table to download your report. Your clients and athletes also have access to all of their own data on these dashboards by logging into the RYPT website.